In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ChatGPT with Google Calendar. This way, you can seamlessly integrate your AI interactions with your daily schedule, ensuring that everything is streamlined and efficient. So let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is your starting point, and it's essential because you will access all the necessary platforms from there. Once you're on Google, type ChatGPT into the search bar. When the search results appear, look for the official ChatGPT website. Click on it, and this will take you to the main interface where you can log in or explore various features. Upon reaching the ChatGPT website, direct your attention to the lower left corner where your profile icon is located. Clicking on your profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you want to select Settings. This will open up the settings page where various customization options are available. Now that you're in the settings, look for the tab labeled Apps and Connectors. Click on this tab to proceed. This section is where you manage integrations with other applications, enhancing the functionality of ChatGPT. Scroll down within the Apps and Connectors section until you locate the Google Calendar option. The list is pretty straightforward, and Google Calendar should be easy to find. Once you see it, click on Google Calendar. After clicking on Google Calendar, you'll be prompted with a Connect button. Clicking Connect will initiate the process of linking your accounts. There may be on-screen instructions or prompts guiding you through giving permissions or confirming access, which is a standard procedure when you're integrating two applications. Following these steps carefully ensures that your ChatGPT is successfully linked with your Google Calendar. This integration allows you to schedule meetings, set reminders, and manage your tasks directly through ChatGPT, creating a seamless experience between your messaging and scheduling apps. And there you have it. You've now linked ChatGPT with Google Calendar. While you're in the Apps and Connectors section, you might explore other applications you can integrate, as there are many that can boost productivity further. Remember, the key to efficient workflow is in these small yet powerful integrations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your daily tasks a bit easier and improves your efficiency. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below or check out the help resources on the ChatGPT website. See you in the next tutorial.